Welcome to my channel once again. This is the Blessed Man. I want to welcome you to my channel. Thank you for being my subscriber. Thank you for being here. Thank you for checking out my videos. Thank you for consuming my information. Today I want to bring something that is very, very important, something that's going to help you today. And what is it? I want to show you one of the best free traffic source for you as an affiliate marketer or whoever that want to promote whatever thing that you want to promote. Sites that are called classified ad sites, and today I'm going to show you one that works very well, one that will help you to get results, where you can be able to put up your ad copy, you can be able to put up a link, you can be able to put up some pictures, and then you're going to get these things for free. Your advert is going to be placed in a top tier country of United States of America or Canada or the UK, and your ad will stay there for 60 days. So you can imagine showing your ad to millions of people for 60 days for free. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you stay to the very end of this video, I am going to be giving you a gift. This gift is I'm going to be giving you pre-made ad copies that you can just clone, you can just copy it, edit it, and just put your link and whatever, and then you will never need to write any ad copy. You never need to write any title or description or whatsoever. Just copy and then paste into this ad site that I'm going to show you, and then you start getting results on daily basis. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you want to promote your offer, you want to promote your own products, be it products, affiliate product from clickbank, from warriorplus, from jvzoo, from digistores, or from NutriProfit or share sale, whatever offer you are promoting, this site is just right for you. So all you need to do is for you to stay till the end of this video and follow me step by step, because I am going to show you everything in details, how you are going to place these ads and everything you need to know in this video. And then at the end, remember, I am going to be giving you a bonus. I'm going to be giving you something that you are going to like very well. If you are an affiliate marketer, you can use it anywhere and it will work for you. One more thing you need to do, go to the comment section of this video and then comment, let us get this free traffic. Let us get this free traffic. Comment so, and then let us see how we can help ourselves to make money in affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go into my laptop screen and show you this thing step by step on how you can go from copying this ad to posting the ad to anywhere you want to post it. So stay with me in this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button of this particular channel. If you are coming here for the first time, hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you click on share the video, give us thumb up, click the bell notification icon, because I drop video almost on weekly basis, on daily basis, so that you can get these videos that I drop for you every single day. So guys, I want you to, if you're ready for this, let's dive into the video. All right guys, so right now I am in my laptop screen, and then the particular site that I'm talking about is quickads.com. Quickads.com, and then this is the particular ad. Go to Google and type quickads.com. This is it here. Yeah, you can see it. So once you get here, you have a lot of things to do here. You can post your ad for free. You can post in all cities. You can post banners, so on and so forth. These are the categories: make money category, real estate, for sale. Then you have to choose the city. You can choose your city or your area. This is the United States of America. And then this is Canada. This is Europe. So you can just choose these top tier countries in order to promote your ad. So we're going to be demonstrating, without wasting much time, how you can post your ad for free here. So what you need to do, we're going to be demonstrating with this particular site here. We're going to be demonstrating this. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to dive here and just click on posts. When you click on post ad, the first thing you do, you select the states. I want to use United States of America. I want to use Alabama. Then I want to choose Dothan, for instance. Okay, so once you get this, I'm going to be, you have to choose category. I'm going to choose make money, depending on what you are promoting, what is it talking about. So, and then I'll choose affiliate marketing, because that is what this particular site that I'm promoting is talking about. So that's it. Okay, so so you can see your ad title that's required. You can just simply go here and copy this. Simply go here and copy this. Then come back here. I will enter it here because you cannot take all the words. Just leave it this way. So depending on what you want to write, I will be giving you some ad copies here like I promised. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you this particular pre-made ad copies. You can see the headlines here. You can see the headlines. You can see everything. But I wouldn't want to waste your time to start editing. Okay, but let me see if I can find the one that suits what I'm doing. Okay, let me look for one of these. He said, if you need extra cash, okay, let me look at this. Better than a job, super simple, earn extra money helping us post free and paid ads. If you can copy and paste, you can easily make money. Okay, let me go to this number 2. Need extra holiday cash, earn up to $100 per day working part-time or full-time. Must have internet access, PayPal account to receive commission. Know how to copy and paste, then watch the information video. You can see this one. Get paid to post this ad up to 200 per day. Work 1 to 3 hours. Okay, so okay. All these ad copies. Want to triple your income in 30 days. Okay, look at this. Would you want to receive 100 to 500 color per day? No selling, no explaining, no convincing, no talking. If you can copy and paste, our system will help you to generate cash. Okay, let me use this. Let me use this ad copy number 7. So I can just quickly come here. I'm going to be giving you this particular ad if only you can watch this video to the very end. So I'll just copy it and I'll come here and paste this ad here. One of the very good thing about this particular website is that you can actually add a link. So I can say, for more info, more information, please click the link below. Sorry. So let me say, click this link. Now, okay, so what I will do is I will highlight this, click on link, then go back to this, copy this URL, which could be your affiliate link. Come here, paste the URL, and then click OK. You can see it is highlighted. Once somebody click here, it will take the person to this sales page. Okay, so for the I don't know if I can find an image. Okay, let's move on. Look at this. Yeah, show your email address. Yeah, you can hide your email address. Okay, so commission bonus base potentials, you can put this is optional. Price. Okay, this product is sold for $37. Is it $37? Affiliate money machine. Okay, it's $27. And then phone number optional, contact optional, company name optional, so on and so forth. All these things are optional. So now you are required to put like up to 10 images for this ad. One of the ways you can do that, if you have any, go to the sales page of the video you are, sorry, the product you're trying to promote. If you have, okay, if you actually have a tool on your system where you can capture this, what you can do is like I have this pic. So what I want to do now is to take a picture of this. I will just come here and then screenshot this as one of my image. So, and I'll save it. Save as. Let me use Bing. Okay, so let me save this as affiliate money machine. Okay, I have this image here, but let me save this one again. Affiliate money machine, add image 5. Okay, so I just click save. You have to note the folder where you are saving this. Then you go back to the site. Go back to the site right now. Then click here. Click choose file. Alright, okay, let me go to the folder where I saved it, and then I'll go to affiliate money machine, add image. This is the one I just saved now. I'll just click open. I'll go to second image. I'll click AMM. Let me use this. Add one. Then I go to, this is almost the same thing with this. Okay, so let me change it to 2. AMM add image 2. Then I'll choose here. AMM add image 3. Open. Then I'll choose here. AMM add image 4. Okay. I think with this 4 image, I think I'll be okay for this video, so that this video will not be too long. So you can see these are the pictures that will be showing in your ad. So guys, this ad is completely free of charge, but if you want to feature your ad for 60 days, you just pay $4. You just pay $4 to feature this ad for 60 days. That is going to the paid option. If you want this ad will bump up every 5 days. You pay additional $4. And then look at this one. If you want urgent sign to be put on your advert, you pay $3. So with just about $10, you can get this ad featured, bumped every 5 days, and have it with urgent sign for 60 days with just $10. So guys, if you want to actually pay for this, what I want you to do is to go to the description of this video. You will see the link to this site so that you can be able to get these discounts. And not just that, you'll be able to be sure that you are clicking on the right URL to take you to this quickads.com. There are so many quick ads and the spelling can be confusing. So go to the description of this video and click the link on the description to take you to the site so that you can register accounts and start posting your free ads or posting a pay ad. So once I'm done with this, I'm done with what I'm doing. So I'll simply go here and I click continue. So guys, your ad has been posted and it is active. It's as simple as this. Your ad will be posted and it will show on this site in the particular city that I located, that I chose, the particular state that I chose, and this ad will remain there for 60 days. Guys, this is huge for you as an affiliate marketer, and that is the site that I quickly want to show you. Remember, I said I'm going to be leaving this for some of you that are still watching this video up to this time around. Look at what you are going to do. Go to the description of this video. You are going to find the link to this particular ad copies. I'm going to be giving to you all of them free of charge. Just go there and put your name and your email address, and this will be sent straight into your email inbox without paying any money. So guys, if you want to go to the site, make sure you click on the link below the description of this video, and then you're going to get to this link and start promoting your ad, promoting your offers, and start making your money. So guys, remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification icon so that we can always notify you whenever we drop a video. Then we'll keep on growing together, keep on making money together. Let me see you in my next video. Cheers.